Yeah?
Yeah.
Have you got that?
Yeah.
And then grab the end of the duvet, and then also just grab the roll.
Yeah.
What's happening, guys, and welcome back to another great video on our channel. Home improvements come in a variety of shapes and sizes, each with its own set of benefits aimed at making our lives simpler. This time, we've looked at everything from chimneys to putting greens in the hopes of inspiring you to bring your home improvement plans into action. Get motivated by 11 amazing ideas to upgrade your home. Number 11, mod pools. Shipping containers have been converted into houses, stores, and even urban farms, but mod pools offer these repurposed buildings a brand new lease on life as backyard swimming pools. Mod pools are simple to set up and transport, and they come with a variety of cool features including heaters, jets, portholes, and smartphone-controlled LED mood lighting. Number 10, peel and stick tiles. You can cover a leaking cabinet bottom with peel and stick tiles. Install squares of self-adhesive vinyl tile on the floor of your sink cabinet to freshen it up. At home centers, they're around $1 a square and have an easy-to-clean wall. BellaTurf. BellaTurf uses the most modern yarn materials available today. When it comes to BellaTurf artificial grass performance, the shape of the yarn is a crucial factor to consider when choosing the right product for your needs.
We use here, so got the cut started. Let's pull this back to where we're doing. Okay.
Number 8, wainscoting. Wainscoting is a form of panel molding that refers to a decorative wooden treatment that is typically at or below chair rail height, roughly 32 inches above the floor. Wainscoting is usually a single sheet with paneling, usually wood.
I'm doing wainscoting, and I'll show you some things that I do differently next time. Stay tuned, I'll show you how I did it. Here's the laundry room I'll be working.
Number 7, regrouting the shower. Regrouting is a two-step procedure that begins with an oscillating tool ideally and some manual scraping to scrape the oil-hardened grout from the seams or joints between tiles. Then, you make a fresh grout, use a grout float to add it to the tile, and wipe it with a sponge. Number 6, Dundalk Leisure Craft Outdoor Cabin Sauna. Dundalk Leisure Craft Outdoor Cabin Sauna offers the same elegance, versatility, and experience as the traditional barrel saunas, albeit in a cabin style that some of the customers prefer. Outdoor cabin saunas are ideal for use on your porch, backyard patio, or pier. Number 5, add accent to your bedroom door. Repainting or removing wallpaper is one of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to give your home a makeover. If you want to add more textures and patterns to your house, particularly your bedroom, you can use wallpaper instead of paint because there's now such a large selection of wallpapers available.
Start by removing the door handle for easier and cleaner.
Number 4, do something with the mirror frame. The grooming area of your bathroom is the most used. It's understandable if you're bored with the appearance of your vanity, especially the mirror. You can easily update the look of your bathroom by dressing up in the mirror. Adding a frame to the mirror will give your bathroom a unique look.
In this video, I'm going to show you how I updated this old bathroom mirror by building a custom industrial farmhouse mirror frame.
Number 3, repurpose crib into the rack. Pots and pans are usually stored in kitchen cabinets because they take up a lot of space. Instead, hang them over your kitchen island. You'll be able to get them more quickly, and they'll also enhance the appearance of your kitchen. Number 2, add more contrasting colors. A bedroom that is completely white will make your room seem larger. However, it can seem too stark and sterile in certain ways, making you instantly bored. You can use yellow, green, blue, or any other vibrant colors you choose. It wouldn't distract you from your restful night's sleep. Instead, you will give your bedroom a new look.
Must ask questions are: how to choose colors, how to know which is the correct color combination for my home.
Number 1, replace the bedding. Changing the bedding is another simple way to give your bedroom a modern look. Beddings are available in a variety of fabrics, textures, colors, and patterns, making them an excellent choice for a quick and inexpensive bedroom makeover. We certainly hope that we've managed to bring a little more life into your house after this video. Do share some more ideas of your own that we haven't shared in this video in the comments down below. And while you're at it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And with that, I'll catch you guys later in another video. Bye now.